Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time project share. Let me go ahead and show you everything I used to create this card. So I am using her gift card tag dies, and I'm using the bell that's out of there. Using the pretty scallop oval dies as well as the layers. The Jingle All the Way stamp set, I'm using Season's Greetings. And assorted mini bow dies, and I'm using this one right here along with its coordinating pieces. And then the assorted mini tag dies, and I'm using this one and this one here. All right, let's take a look at that a little bit more close. I did use mirror cardstock, as you can tell, as well as the glitter cardstock, and then I stamped that Season's Greetings right there, accented that with the blue behind that as well. There goes those pretty die layers. And I just cut out my own little strip there to hang the bowl. And love how this turned out. And there goes the inside, which I forgot to get this other set. Let me show you that real quick. But it's from Our Home to Yours. And here goes that set right here. And there goes From Our Home to Yours right there. And so that is my card for this week. Make sure you go over and visit my design team sisters, as well as head over to My Creative Time to check out all of her channels. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.